Ever wished investing was as easy as ordering pizza? Well, with Robo Advisors, it almost can be. So, what is a Robo Advisor? A Robo Advisor is a virtual financial advisor powered by artificial intelligence (AI) that employs an algorithm to deliver an automated selection of financial advisory services. Typically offered by brokerage firms such as Charles Schwab, Fidelity Investments, and E-Trade, Robo Advisors are a type of expert system optimized for financial services, specifically for investing and portfolio management advice. Imagine an automated financial advisor that lives on your phone. That's basically a robo-advisor. It uses algorithms to create a personalized investment plan based on your goals and risk tolerance. Let's take an example. Let's say you want to save for a vacation in a few years. A robo-advisor would ask you questions about your risk comfort level and how much you can invest each month. Based on your answers, it might recommend a portfolio with a mix of stocks and bonds, designed to grow your money steadily. Talking about the growth stats, the industry has experienced explosive growth. According to Polaris Market Research, the robo-advisory market size was valued at $7.39 billion in 2023 and is projected to grow from $9.50 billion in 2024 to $72.00 billion by 2032. Benefits of robo-advisors: 1. Convenience. Manage your investments from anywhere, anytime. 2. Affordability. Robo-advisors typically charge lower fees than traditional financial advisors. 3. Automation. Sit back and relax. Your robo-advisor will handle the rebalancing and day-to-day stuff. Who are robo-advisors for? So robo-advisors are great for beginners or those who want a simple, automated way to invest. So, robo-advisors, friend or foe? Well, it depends on your needs. If you're looking for a hands-off, affordable way to invest, a robo-advisor might be your perfect match. Want to learn more about robo-advisors and see if they're right for you? Leave a comment below and let's chat.